Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Gemma Casal. I'm 36 years old, married and blessed with three kids, ages 17 years old girl, 15-year-old boy, and a 9-year-old boy. I came from Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and I am a Christian. I have local working experience here in Philippines for 2 years. My duties are cleaning, laundry, ironing, and taking care of elderly, a 8 years old girl, and also feeding and cleaning the two dogs and one cat. I have also working experience as a domestic helper in Bahrain for 2 years. They have four members in the family, two adults, a 1-year-old girl, and a 6 years old boy. My duties are cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing, feeding the kids, play with them, and help prepare for school of the 6 years old boy. If you choose me, I will do my best and I'm willing to learn and adapt and follow your rules. Thank you.